from Meathville, Pennsylvania, and a famous quote by Margaret Mead says, "Never forget that a group of thoughtful, committed citizens can make a difference."
The truth about humanitarians is that they don't just show up when people are not in need. They show up when people are desperately in need. Now, Halle Berry, oh my God, hats off to you, Queen. Now, according to Halle Berry, I'm packing up my entire closet and heading over to the coop. If you live in the Southern California area, I urge you do the same. This is something we can do right now today to help all the displaced families that are in need of basics today. Thank you at Sharon Stone for your leadership. Love you, lady. Now, if she is not a true humanitarian, I don't know what else it is. It's beautiful to see celebrities lending a helping hand without people have to ask for their help nor their support. It's a beautiful feeling when celebrities can put aside what their status are and be humble and help the needy. Listen to what Halle Berry has to say.
We're at the coop at 7282 Beverly Boulevard, collecting gently used clothing for kids, men, women, children, people that have been displaced and affected by the fire. We have beautiful cashmere sweaters, jeans, new socks, shoes, clothes, blankets. I'm going to take you inside. I'm from here. Okay.
Should I just put girls and boys socks and boys and girls socks together? I don't think they. Once it. Yeah.
By the way, this started 3 hours ago. This is what I'm saying.
Yeah.